Most people apply for premium cards without realizing the hidden value inside them. The DIB Prime Platinum card looks impressive, but is it actually worth it? Let's break it down so you can avoid costly mistakes. This card is designed for everyday spending with strong lifestyle perks. You earn reward points on all purchases, with higher points on dining, groceries, and fuel. Over a month of testing, points added up quickly and could be redeemed for travel, shopping vouchers, or statement credit. One of the biggest benefits is airport lounge access. If you travel even a few times a year, this perk alone can offset the annual fee. The card also includes travel insurance, purchase protection, and extended warranty coverage, which adds peace of mind for large purchases. Most people get this wrong. They focus only on rewards and ignore fees. There is an annual fee, and late payments come with high interest. To benefit fully, you must pay your balance on time and use the card responsibly. In conclusion, the DIB Prime Platinum is ideal for frequent spenders who enjoy lifestyle perks and travel rewards. Used wisely, it can be a valuable financial tool. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews.